Kahnya Utrap Youth Council HYC Warja India Circle mentagas ngi ka arp ndrewtrek ukala lengkor arajar arpoar kalayo banlay jurip kensan ya kumba ars pangut tam kibar jela kibawan bentrei hakawi ke company ka ARSS company ke badan halang kowet penuslah hapo ka jingilam presiden ka Warja India Circle usamla edemon khongai haka jingedar lang kipar dekot keseng Haga jinglik jurip keseng kelala babon nakine kibar jela kim dan setia ya kale bor license nakale bor department jong ka sorkar jela tato kane kidan kibalakut por kibadang apply kibabon kide kibam dan setia ya kale bor license wargi kot kisla kibadan kam kumka electoral ID bat kiwe Nagaliang usamla Edmond Kongai Hagajing Ai Jingkren ulapan remjur ya ka sorkar lingba ka lebor department kepala ai berpediang matla ya ki lebor license claim da bishar bania ba ula banjur ba ka sorkar ka deben pai kmat shwa se ki trai jela namar kumbalong hagini gisngi ki briu jonga jela kilalong ki pastar ba shempang la kalong hagino kino ki jaikam Manalor ka jingkerdu kam kerdu jam jang ki briu ka jela kumta ka sorkar kam dei satia ban kerki berpediang briu na bar ka jela hande ben pai kmat shwa se ki trai jela
But we na pring ni ulai na riban susan aja. Ban mau dong tray ba wan sik na riban susan spa. Taan ka. Iwan lang ta. Kaya mata ars na umdan ya ko wakon mi na boleh sen kemod ule yu hangi. Mata udi sya keleng-keleng dami karar baje sa pomlom sa ko je mo ban likale. Ni lam. Tamne setang du sin ta. Isa kata ka di ko we ko mangi ni wan hangi. Dan nga ngali sa po dekhar ngamdon ko Islam sa pera. Bintang ni kat ni kamu kamu jong ni seni umi kamu kan kita tahu umi kamu ni wan kini di mana mana kita kunton ko tim sela kunton biang ni tu ni sudah sap sai ini lah sam sa ni susah bikin ni pek teman tanya ai harus nem ka ini belum masih stick ini min ron besok now I want to see the original documents and then the work permit. No, you come with police, we will show everything.
Yesterday only we have submitted to the police station all the list 25/1/2022. We have submitted the police and the ATO civil the update list all the staff, their name, their designation, their label license and everything, their address. This is the address, name, designation, date of joining and everything.
Yeah, I know. I have copy. But you all of the workers stuff?
No. You come with police. I am saying you come with police.
You have ID or password and everything you register by yourself.
It's given by the labor department, the ID, password, everything. The Meghalaya labor department. We are applying in that.
Okay, authority. Okay, from a different authority when you apply by yourself level license.
District Council of
Autonomous. Do you have agent?
We have directly authorized by District Council.
How
We have
many?
the trading license. We have trading license, and that we are authorized.
Who's authorized? authorized?
Me, I am authorized, and PM sir is authorized. Ramesh
So
Raj.
you're authorized by yourself?
Huh?
Someone help you? Any help you? Someone help you?
My staff is there helping me out.
Do you know Bantai? Bantai, you know?
We know him.
Okay. So if you apply your local license from the website Bantai, huh?
We have two ID.
2 ID.
We have two ID. Two ID, two staff for do the level license.
From where you apply this license?
Online.
Online.
Here or sometime in Petrochemicals.
How many applicant you apply a day? How many workers?
More than 300, I guess.
300.
300, but there means those who are not staying, we are updating in the police station that this person has come, work 15 days, he's left. So we are in the remarks we are leaving that left away. We inform the police station, local police station. No, you have seen na, everyone have license. You are satisfied. I am asking you. You are satisfied. We are following the rule. We are following the rule. Meghalaya rule, government rule. We are following. You all satisfied, na?
But you don't have the suppose if you have to copy the police station one and then the Rangma Shinong and then the Sodar because that you already xerox na that the rules of the Meghalaya identification actually level ID for the work permit ID. Because the government, this is rule, you have put by yourself one and then copy police station and then the Rang Bachelong also one copy. But now I want to see the ID, level ID or work permit. If you don't want, if you don't want, work permit along behind.
Sali at ahar okay what happened
Mingwan sa niya katakan. Nantaro ni ko ay banyak.
Done na.
Kung gingilan sundan wa. Ariwar mingi circle kajingwan kajongi menta kasngi hakani ka jaka kakam ka jongi ki company ARSS ka badai ka way ka company ka battery yakani ka surok na Shillong Chadauki ka Shillong bay Shillong ka surok ka Shillong bypass kajingwan kajongi kum kaseng hakani ka jaka banwan kansan banwan jurip hakani ka por hakani ka sngi ka bamenta kalay halor kanong rem ka ba ngi naglang kaseng ngilayo ka complain ban ngilayo ka jingujor nakababun kiliang khamtame na ki lokal ki jongi kumot ki brew ki jongi ki badai ki paradok prasnam ki ba tray ki bakta kani ka company te ka jingwan ka jongi ban check menta ya ka level license bat ka work permit yakini ki khar ki ba ban tray kani ka surok hakani ka than ka jongi kalong ban check ki kot ki sla ka jongi hatu ka biang lani kambiang te ngilalap menta kasngi dakiba daki spangut ki dikhar ki battery hakani ka company kumbangi yo ka jingtip kumba ars patam ai ki don hakani ka company ka bagi tray menta te nagalang i kasang hadin mangi la iba ki brew ki jongi kim yo kam lani kim don hakani ka jaka ban tray te nakum na kasang niwan che khamat ban wan hakani ka sngi ban khenra lani ban check ikini ki khar ki bawan tray hakani ka company ki bawan tray hakani ka surok hakani ka dong ka than ki jongi ban wat ya ki daw namar balay bangi ki khasi ngimyo ban tray ki product prasnam ki jongi kimyo ban tray hakani ka company hakabaning kong kumaong fi ki babune ki battery hakani ki dei ki brew ki jongi ki lokal ki jongi ki battery hakani company ki don kumba lifesan hadusan phongut bat kai ki barjela ki dikhar ki battery hakani hakabaning kong ki don kumba tangar putam henrai ka basoling ngo yangi ka seng hadin bangi lawan menta ban cek lani ban talasi yigini kidikar ngilap bagini kidikar gidan hado ars patam ki bateri yakani ke company teka seng ka penpau ya ka jing sosi bat ni penpau ri ka jing penrem ya ka labor department jong ka sarkar jela ka jongi kabala ai pathar ya ka labor license ke jongki khamta me gini ki dikhar ki batrai namar ngila check i wai pi wai ki dikhar ni ngilap ba ka label sen jongki ka ladon ka bala balit ka don ka ba ke kidang apply kidon ki badang up ya ka jingyo ka jongki ya na ka label license ke jongki nrai ka bangi pen pau ka long ba ni pen ram ya ka sarkar khamta me ya ka labor department namar ba kala issue pathar ya ka labor department ya ka labor license ke jongki ya gini ki dikhar ki bangim tip ki wan na ai tangki kot kisla ki documents jong kiro kimdon ki police verification jong kiro ki bamaki ki wan kinu ki jelaro kimdon ni tani ka por ka juk jong ka jing kerdu kam ka juk jong ka jing bom yo kam bom yo jam ki briu ki jongi hakane ka than ki jongi teling ba ka jing wan jong ni ka surok hajing sya ka dai bandon ka jing yo nong yangi ban yo ya kan ka kam ka jam lan ban trai penban kalong pause bakini ki company ki ya lat bat kim singap ya ke jing bat ya ke jing ron kam jong ki briu jongi ti kumta nakalyang ka seng hakani ka sngi ni wan ban khanra ni wan ban talasi daga ba ngimshem ladon kano ke jing pentip sheki bor jong ka an ngimshem ladon kano ke jing yathu sheki police department ndrai kum ka seng ni wan be shekmat ban yang rang ba wala da kini ki dikhar ki don kum ba ars patam ndrai ngina ka seng ngin yakun nam takari be kecap binu khamta me yaki parado prasnam ki jongi bakin yo ban trai yakani ka kam kenang bakin la ban kersyan yala de bat yakayeng kasam